Turn raw rice to bread. No kneading, just pour. Rice cooker pillowy Japanese rice bread. $150 grams of raw rice. Short grain rice is recommended. Wash the rice until the water runs clear and let it sit for 3 hours. Drain the rice well. Put the rice in the blender. $15 grams of sugar. A pinch of salt. 10 grams of cooking oil. 80 ml of lukewarm water. Blend thoroughly. $4.5 grams of dry yeast. Blend thoroughly again after adding the dry yeast. Grease the inside of the rice cooker bowl with cooking oil. Pour the butter from the blender into the bowl. Place the bowl into the rice cooker. Let it proof for about 20 minutes on keep warm mode. Once it has doubled in size, cook it on the standard rice cooking mode. Once it's done, flip it over. Cook it on the rice cooking mode again. If it's not automated, stop it after about half the usual time. It's gluten-free but pillowy and delish. 今日の料理はお米パンでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.